Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard for the Stamps of Life, and it is time for me to introduce to you a stamp set that is so dang stinking cute. Are you ready? It is our club set, and it is called Dolphins to Stamp. Now, it has the most adorable dolphins you have ever seen, if I can say that, because I designed them. But am I allowed to say that? I think I am. Anyway, first of all, look at the cute little dolphins. Then look at the cute little fishies. Then look at the cute little starfish. Now, it says, so happy things are going swimmingly. Have a fantastic birthday. Hope you have a flippin' good time. You are fantastic, and you give me purpose. Porpoise. You give me porpoise. Isn't that funny? Now, there's lots of fun sayings on here, so it's really going to fit pretty much everybody. This is also the perfect stamp set for the males in your life. So it's not a female set. This is a unisex set because it could be for male or female, which is really nice, and I know you really appreciate that when that happens. Now, of course, there are dies that match, and my Stamp Club members are getting the stamp set automatically sent to them. My Die Hard members are getting the same stamps and the dies that match. Now, with the dies, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dies that coordinate with the images here. And let me tell you, Ken gets up extra early to go and deliver all of these to the post office. He goes to a couple different post offices because we just want to make sure they get spread out well and that they get out to you. And early on the first of the month. So they are already on their way to you, which is very exciting. If you're not in the club, you need to join because you are totally missing out. You would already have these on the way to you. Now, I have some amazing samples by my design team. I always love to sing the praises of my design team because I send them the products and they send me the most amazing samples. I will even be honest, sometimes when I'm having that kind of crazy day, I'll get the samples in the mail and I'll get teary-eyed. And I've been known to shed a tear or two just because of how gorgeous and how inspiring the cards are that my design team makes using my products. So it's really fun. Here is a beautiful one using, I love these little animals, these little starfish and the little fish. Have a fantastic birthday. Oh, look at that. Hope you have a flippin' good time. Isn't that cute? Here's one using our pocket slider die. Are you ready for this? Open it up and it says, you are fantastic. Isn't that cute? Here's a fun one using our wave die. Hope you have a flippin' good time. Open it up. Have a fantastic birthday. Oh my goodness, are you ready for this one? Shadow box time. Shadow box, look at this. It folds flat for mailing, so it's flat. Open it up and look at how adorable that is. You just want to stare at it. It's almost like a real aquarium, right? Because you're like looking at all the detail. Now, I know it's hard for you to see these up close on video. Make sure you click on the gallery to see these up close and personal even more. You can even print them out from our gallery if you want to, but isn't that so much fun? I love it. Now, if you ever get to come see us at a convention or at an expo or a pop-up shop, you'll even get to see these up close and personal even more, which is even more exciting. Have a fantastic birthday. I love my Flip It cards. Oh, here's a cute one. You are fantastic. Here's a Z fold card, just using a regular piece of cardstock, and you're going to open it up and look at all the fun little things to look at this one. It's almost like it's almost like that Where's Waldo, because you just want to look and see all the different things. Now, of course, our jellyfish coordinate, our shark coordinates, our shark pudgy, and our little seahorse coordinates from our online class, which is fun. Here's one. Have a flipping good time. Now, this one, I want to point out that our dies also can be cut apart and used to make your own paper piecing. So you don't need, this one's not even stamped at all. It's all die cut. Isn't that gorgeous? Open it up. I love that. Here's, wearing a party hat, because sometimes you just need to wear a party hat. Isn't that cute? Open this one up. Oh, celebrate on the inside. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is my favorite. Leslie wins the favorite award today. So happy things are going swimmingly. Didn't even use the dolphins. Used the stamp set, used the little extra pieces on this one, and used our jar set from a previous club set. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. And then it says sending smiles. Oh, that wins the award this time. Oh, action wobbles. How many of you have been playing with our action wobbles? If you haven't, you need to check those out. They're on our website and they just add a little bit extra. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? Isn't it crazy fun? But it's just so cute, and it's just like, you know, it's entertainment value right there. Hope you have a flippin' good time. I love that. Oh, so cute. Oh, box card time. Okay. What can you even say about this? First of all, the paper coordinates from one of our past paper pads. You are fantastic, and that dolphin is going through the hoop. I love it. Now this hoop was using, let's just see. Oh, it's just a regular circle dies. Regular circle dies. I love it. I love it. Here is another shadow box with, ooh, with the lighthouse in the background. Mix and match your sets. So here we've seen lots of different things. We've seen the jar stamp and die set. We've seen our online class under the sea animals. We've seen the lighthouse from our club set. Mix and match, because look at that. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. Oh, and here's another gorgeous one. Here is a shaker card. You are fantastic. Using the W circle dies, which are fun because they add an extra little texture. Open it up, and there is our pop-up using the generic pop-up. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Now, club members, as I mentioned, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you need to join now because you do not want to miss out on this stamp and die set. Now, let's see. Oh, also, if I went too fast, don't worry. You can watch the video over and over again if you want, or you can go to our online gallery and see the projects up close and personal. You can even print them out if you want. And if you're watching this on YouTube, Ben told me I'm supposed to tell you to click the subscribe button so you always will be notified when we release a new video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.